How do I use the interval grid trading bot? Hi everyone, welcome to the BitKan tutorial series. Today, we will cover the basic concepts of setting up an interval grid trading bot on the BitKan mobile app. Firstly, let's understand how does an interval grid trading strategy works. Let's assume that this is the market trend line of ETH for the past few hours. As you can see, the market price fluctuates up and down due to its volatility. The goal of a trading strategy is to earn profits by buying low and selling high during these fluctuations. There are several key parameters to be set before generating an interval grid. Firstly, the upper and lower limits define the interval grid range within which the bot will function. For example, if the upper and lower limits are set at 4,000 and 3,000 respectively, the bot will only buy and sell ETH when its market price is within that range. The bot will stop and not execute any orders when the market price surpasses the upper or lower limits. Next, the number of grids determine the price amount of each grid, which is the amount of profit you will earn for every buy and sell order. For example, if the number of grids is set at 5, each grid represents $200 worth of ETH, since the upper and lower limits are set at 4,000 and 3,000 respectively. In general, a higher number of grids means a lower investment amount from each order, and you will profit from smaller price fluctuations, and vice versa. Now, let's take a look at how an interval grid trading bot behaves when it is launched. Whenever the market price decreases by a fixed proportion as seen here, the bot executes a buy order. When the market price goes beyond the upper or lower limits, as seen from the dotted line, the bot will not execute any buy or sell orders. The bot then executes a sell order whenever the market price increases by a fixed proportion, as seen here. Finally, profits are accumulated as the bot continuously executes sell orders that are higher priced than buy orders by a fixed proportion, as shown by the blue arrows. Now, let's take a look at how to set up the interval grid trading bot in the BitKan app. After launching the app, click Trade. Then navigate to the Bot tab. Here you can see the 4 trading bots currently available on BitKan, which are all free to use. Let's click into the interval grid bot. Then, click Create. Because we have selected AI strategy, the AI has already set all the necessary parameters with recommended values for us. We simply just need to select the crypto we would like to invest in, the unit of profit, and the investment amount. In this example, selecting Invest USDT means that you will gain profit in the unit of USDT, and vice versa for BTC. The bot also tells us the performance of this trading strategy based on historical data from the past 7 days. After you select and input the necessary parameters, just simply click Launch Bot and the bot will begin the interval grid trading strategy automatically. Alternatively, you could click Backtest to view more statistical data on the performance of this strategy based on historical market movements. Now, let's go through the process of a manual setup for an interval grid trading strategy. Click Manual Strategy. Let's set the crypto to ETH since we previously used ETH as an example in our explanation. Since the current market price of ETH right now is around 4,300 USDT. Let's set our upper limit to 5,000, and lower limit to 4,000. Then, let's set our number of grids to 50. As you can see, BitKan shows you the estimated profit earned in percentage after you input the number of grids. Last but not least, let's invest 3,000 USDT into this strategy. Note that the minimum investment amount is dependent on the parameters set, so be sure to modify them accordingly to suit your needs. Finally, let's backtest this strategy with the parameters we set. As you can see, this bot would earn us a profit of 27 USDT if it was ran for the past 7 days. Next, you could either adjust the parameters based off the backtest results, or proceed to launch the trading bot. And there we go. We have successfully performed a basic manual setup for an interval grid trading bot. Now you can sit back and relax while the bot earns the profits for you 24/7. If you wish to find out more about BitKan's trading bots, go to the links provided in the description. Drop us a like, and share this video if you found it useful. Also, ask us any questions you have in the comment section below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.